project's called International Place at Tysons. It incorporates the former Tysons Ford that we acquired in March of 2014. I mean, obviously there's a number of multifamily projects that are going on in Tysons right now. What makes ours a little bit different, we are within about 900 feet of one of the metro stations and 1,100 feet of the other metro station if you go through Tysons Mall. But what really differentiates our project from the others is we're going to be mid-rise construction, and it's stick frame on a podium, whereas most of the others are steel and concrete skyscrapers. So you've got insulation between the floors, and you've got your wood floors as opposed to your concrete floors, things of that nature. Parking will be internal to the building structure, underground parking, so you won't see anything like that from the outside. So we're going to offer the same sort of amenities of a live, work, play lifestyle with the pool and the workout facility. But we really feel that overall it's going to fit a niche that isn't quite being addressed as fully as it could be in Tysons right now.